Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we talk about Toloka.ai. This is one of the websites where you can make money online by doing simple tasks. So it's almost like doing nothing, but you earn. Isn't that great? So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development. If that is what you're looking for on YouTube, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss a video. So let's head over to my laptop. So guys, when you go to Google, so let us type Toloka AI and then go to get paid to do a short task online. So earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. So the best thing about this website, guys, is that you can do it either on your phone or your laptop or computer. So if you are doing it on your phone, you simply need to download the app, the Toloka app. So how it works, you take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. So now the tasks that you'll be given, some of them you'll have to do a particular test, so that they can gauge if you will be able to complete the set of tasks. Then after completing, then you can go ahead and do the task that you have been assigned. So pick the task you want to do on your computer or in the mobile app, and then carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment, and then withdraw. So simply do the task, start completing the tasks, and then withdraw. Then they also have a referral program where you can tell your friends about the app. When they join, you get a referral bonus. So that is another good thing about this website. So why Toloka? So why you should join this website? It is open to anyone. Like I said, guys, I heard about Toloka on one of the Kenyan online forums. That means it is not restricted to certain regions. So wherever you are in the world, you can sign up to this website and start earning your money. You don't need any special skills. And then also flexibility, you can pick the task that you like and monetize your free time. Convenience, you can cash out your earnings anytime. And the best part is that their minimum withdrawal is actually 0.02. This is so good, right? Yeah. So, and then motivation, develop your skills and unlock new tasks. So every time you develop your skills, and you can also unlock new tasks and continue earning more and more. And then they also offer support. So those are some of the reasons as to why you should join this website. What kind of task could you be doing, you may ask? So there are several. We have outline objects, where you draw boxes around objects in images like this one. We have, you can also get paid to search for information. You can also get paid to take photos, so upload photos of places or objects. So this is another thing that you can do on this website. You can also get paid to rate search results, check if the search results matches the request. You can also be paid to moderate content. Make sure comments, either on a website, a blog, or a social media page, you make sure that the comments and images are appropriate. That is what we mean by moderate content. So you'll also be paid to do that. You will also be paid to transcribe audio. So we know that transcription is one of the ways in which you can earn money online, and this website offers you that as well. You'll also get paid to categorize content, sort text or images by quality, theme, and other criteria. So you'll be told the criteria by which you have to sort them, whether it is the type, like you can be asked which type of shoes these are. You'll also be paid to compare images. So choose pictures that best match the description. You can also do surveys and get paid. Wow, this is so good. Share your opinion on various topics. Record voice. So these are the services. There are so many. You can come and check out and see which ones suit you. before you start your journey on this website. So I just want us to go through the FAQ section of this website so that you can have your questions answered. Is Toloka legit? Yes. Without even reading this, I can tell you that it's legit. Like I said, I got this idea from a Kenyan online forum. People are earning using this website, so there is no need for you to be wary. Go ahead and sign up and start earning. So what are these online tasks? We have already talked about them. Classify images, transcribe audio recordings, moderate comments, complete focus group surveys, and so on and so on. Will I make real money? Of course you will make money. Yes, you get paid in US dollars for completing online tasks. And then you can withdraw either through PayPal, through Pioneer, through Skrill. So they have several withdrawal methods. Now that one will depend on your preference. Can I make more than $100 a month? The amount of money, of course, depends on the complexity of the task, also on the availability of tasks. So now whether you make $100 or less will depend on those two, and then also it will also depend on the time that you assign to doing these tasks. Can I start making money online in Toloka right now? So you can create an account on Toloka right now by visiting Get Started page after filling in your personal profile. So as long as you have visited the page, you have filled out your personal information and registered, you can start making money, doing the test and making money right away. Can I earn money in Toloka without a full-time job? Now, this is something that you can do on part-time, guys. You don't need to quit your job to do this. But the time you spend on this platform will actually depend on you, whether you have 30 minutes a day or 2 hours a day or 5 hours a day. That will entirely depend on you. Can I use my phone to earn money online? Yes, like I said, it has a mobile app. You can also use your laptop or computer, so there's no you are not limited to any particular device. Do I need to pay? This is a real question, because you'll find some websites asking you to pay money for you to be able to join. So you don't need to pay anything to join this particular platform or any other online platform that claims to pay people to make money. How to get more tasks and make more money? So of course, to make more money, you'll have to do many tasks, and this will depend on the availability and your time. But now they have given here some valuable information on how you can maximize your earnings, provide accurate information about yourself, take training tasks and exams that will help you get new skills and gain access to new projects. Make sure you are careful and concentrate while performing tasks online. Do I need a diploma to earn money with Toloka? No. This is open to anyone who is willing to learn and who is, of course, a bit sharp. So you don't need a college degree to be able to do this. So now, guys, I think we have gone through everything that is needed. These are the payment methods. You can see we have PayPal, Pioneer, we have Skrill, we have many others. So now what you'll choose will depend on your preference. So now that we are done with that, now I think now we should just go ahead and get signed up. And to sign up, you'll come here, start earning money. And then now you have to choose your role, whether you are a freelancer who wants to make money while doing these simple tasks, or you are a client who wants to order certain services. So now that as we are freelancers who want to make money, we will come here, log in as a Toloka. So now I was trying to sign up, and I had a problem that I need to contact support for, because now it seems that my number is already registered and I don't remember registering. So That means maybe I registered some time back and I forgot. But now if I hadn't registered, I would find I would get a prompt here prompting me to either sign up using my Google account or using Facebook. So you can either choose one of the two and go ahead and sign up. So guys, that's it about Toloka.ai. I hope you try this website up. If you have tried it, please comment down below and let us know how it went for you. If you haven't, I hope you can go and try it. I'm not saying that it's going to make you rich or something, but it can put that extra coin in your pockets, which is all that we want right now when the economy is so hard, when life is so hard economically. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. See you in the next video. Bye.